So I've got my hinge slots cut for my hinges. They're going to go inside there just like that. I have this case with a drill in it, and it also has what's called a VIX bit. This is the brand name. It's just a self-centering bit. And what this does is that this tip is tapered so that when it goes inside that hole where you drill your holes, it just goes right inside there just like that, and it centers it exactly where you want it. So to set this up, we want to first put the bit inside the drill. And you're going to want to use this drill because I want to keep all this stuff together in this kit, and it can usually be used to install the door onto the cabinet as well, but just in case I have this drill here. So in any case, I take a square that I keep inside that kit, make sure that my hinges are set up square, hold it in place, simply squeeze the trigger and push down. Do the same thing to the other one. Then use this black handled screwdriver to install the screws by hand inside those same holes. And now my door is ready to be attached. As a note, I want you to see these screws here, as well as the elongated slots inside here, and that's so that you can adjust it when you attach it to your cabinet. Well, if we made our door to the correct size, it should be 1 inch taller than your opening, and so we want to overlap the top and the bottom by 1/2 inch. So just to help myself line that up, I just make a tiny little mark here at 1/2 inch with my tape measure, or excuse me, the other way. So I just make a little mark there, and I put my door on that mark, so that's where it's going to get lined up. One thing to note when you're installing these hinges have a little tab right here, and that tab is so that you can line up your door so that you can line it up even with the style of your cabinet. So that's where it gives it a stopping point. So maybe I'll do it this way so you can see. And then this drill just won't fit, so I'm going to replace this into the right angle drill so I have more room. Get my door lined up on my line. Go right to the center of those elongated screw holes. And drill my hole. Now just attach the screws with the same black handle.